Hi everyone. Did you know that vitamin D is called the silent warrior in our body? Today, let's learn about 5 important things which you need to understand about vitamin D. First thing, vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin and it is very important in regulating many functions in our body, most importantly, the bone health. Second thing, vitamin D is present in our skin in an inactive form. Once we expose ourselves to sunlight, especially the UVB rays, which are available between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., that inactive vitamin D will get converted to active vitamin D, which will help in our body metabolism. So, make sure that you get about 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at least 3 to 4 times a week so that you maintain adequate levels of vitamin D. Additionally, along with this, eggs, fortified dairy products, fish, these are the sources of vitamin D. But even if you have the oral sources of vitamin D, make sure that sun exposure is always present. Third thing, what happens when there is vitamin D deficiency? The deficiency is called as rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. The symptoms of vitamin D insufficiency start anywhere between unexplained fatigue, weakness, delayed wound healing. There will also be disturbed sleep, or there could be repeated infections. Fourth thing, how do we diagnose vitamin D deficiency? It is diagnosed by a very simple blood test where we measure the levels of vitamin D in your blood. Once you get that report, and if at all you're falling in the insufficiency or the deficiency category, you will have to be treated. Fifth point is that if at all you have a deficiency, it is easily treatable. Your physician is going to put you on vitamin D supplements, which will make sure that your vitamin D levels will be brought back to normal. So, let's make sure that you get adequate sun exposure, good dietary supplements, and make sure that you have adequate levels of vitamin D to help us have a very good metabolism in the body. Thank you.